In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about DLTR, the Dollar Tree stock, which is sitting at 151 right now, and today we are 8.5% down, unfortunately, but high time frame this looks pretty good. Yeah, this is pretty good. We have the highs here. We broke bullish coming from the lows there, which now I'm going to mark up. Now the monthly chart is still coming from these lows and these, so this is beautiful. Still following the ranges. Beautiful, beautiful. Now again, I'm gonna mark up the highs, and this is gonna be my prediction. Before I get any further, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and/or financial advice. And please, you should be doing your due diligence, right? This is just my fine opinion. Do your own due diligence because I'm not responsible for your own money, and I'm never gonna tell you what to do with them. So my thought is just like that, or if you're coming to this, then bullish. Right. I'm pretty bullish on the thing. Let me know. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and I want to hear